Alone in the night, Otis the lone ninja dog catches the scent of looming trouble. From the shadows emerges the raccoon Ronin, sworn to unleash havoc under the cover of darkness. A fierce battle ignites. Otis fights valiantly, but the Ronin nearly overpowers him. In a desperate moment, Otis summons his lightning technique, striking with precision and immobilizing the Ronin. Victory is his, but only for a moment. A darker presence stirs. From the silhouette, a familiar voice echoes through the night.
There you are, puny little brother. I had been searching for you.